we can now use a nested if statement. This allows us to check for a combination of conditions that we can check all at the same time. I'm going to start off and I'm going to delete all of my if statements. I've written, if the game answer is Snap, then the personality number is going to be equal to 2. But we can now expand this further. If the outer condition is true, then we can go on to the next nested if. And if the color is then red, they have the personality number 2. So both of these statements have to be true in order for the personality number to be 2. We can take this to the next step. I have now added if the number is 1. So now, for this person to have personality number 2, they have to have Snap, red, and 1 as their answers. Let's run this and see what happens. If we have red, 1, and Snap as our answers, it's going to print you are sad. If we run the code again, but this time we change the color to blue and we keep the other answers 1 and Snap, you will now notice that it doesn't do anything. And that's because we haven't met all of the conditions. Over here, you'll see that unless the color is red, it will become personality number 2. I'm going to do exactly the same thing, but this time I'm going to say if the color is blue, they have to become personality number 3. Let's run this. We've now entered blue, 1, and Snap, and now you'll see that it comes up with you are amazing. What we now have is we have a nested if statement. As a result, if they are personality number 2, we just wanted to print you are sad. So what we can then do right underneath here, instead of having all of these if statements here at the bottom, we can just say print you are sad. And for number 3, we can say print you are amazing. And right underneath that, we can print you are amazing. This means that we can delete all of our other code at the bottom. Let's run this and see what happens. So if I write blue, 1, and Snap, and I then press enter, it will come up as you are amazing. And that is because we have all of the nested if statements. If they become personality number 3, it will then print whatever we've told it to print.